Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Joya Touch 22 mobile computer and you need to do a full factory reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this unit device is not responding, if it's frozen, if it's sluggish, if it has any kind of problems where it's not working properly, and you've tried just a standard hard reboot on it and it didn't work, you might need to move up to the next step, which is a full factory reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it. But we can go ahead and do that because that might be the second reason that you want to do this. If you're just trying to set this up as a new device, we can go ahead and do that. The first thing we want to do is, just as with a hard reboot, we're going to come in with our paperclip on behind in this little button here, and we're going to press and hold for 15 seconds, and that will force it to turn off. Once we do that, we are going to, what we want to do is we're going to release that, and then we're going to do something not simultaneously, but almost. We're going to take our paperclip and put it in here, and then almost simultaneously, maybe just like less than half a second after, like boom, boom, we're going to go paperclip in the hole, and then press the scan button and hold, and then we're going to just hold them both down once we do that. And that will make the thing boot up in the recovery mode. And in the recovery mode, we'll have to toggle through some menu options. You'll just use the trigger to toggle through, and then you will use the button to select, the paperclip button to select. So we'll just toggle through to a recovery mode, hitting the paperclip button to confirm. And then again, we'll toggle down to factory reset on the recovery menu, and then hit the hit the pin again to confirm, and then finally it will just factory reset. It will reboot, and you can set it up as a new device.